Hi, this is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. This is 2-minute resilience. This is part 3 in getting grounded instantly, how to instantly center yourself and get grounded in the middle of stress, which means that we can build our resilience with this tool. One of the things that we're talking about is using our imagination to ground quickly, to ground instantly, so that we can get a quick reset, right? And the idea is that we're going to take something that we have felt in the past that we enjoy, that gives us joy, that gives us peace, that gives us delight, that we love, and we're going to imagine that thing. So in the midst of the stress, when you feel your hackles coming up, when you feel the anger, when you feel the overwhelm, the hopelessness, the helplessness, to take a moment really intentionally, very mindfully and intentionally, and remember something that made you feel really good. So what might that be? Okay, let's brainstorm a little bit. What that might be is touching something super soft, right? The fur of the belly of a cat, if you like cats. The fur of your dog, right? Just the soft fur. Running your fingers along a newborn baby's cheek, you know, that kind of thing. Blowing on a newborn baby's belly. I love nuzzling in with babies. Using that idea of cool water on a hot summer day, okay, or warm water when you're super cold. Anything that has to do with kinesthetic touch, anything that makes your body feel good, what feels good, or when somebody gives you just a really tight, loving hug. What else might be some cool feelings? Feeling the sun on your skin, just feeling the sun on your skin, how good that feels, how warming that feels. And you're just going to breathe into that just for a moment, just maybe 2 or 3 breaths into that feeling that in the past has made you really feel good. Okay? That creates an instant grounding. That creates an instant reset. It's an anchor that you have inside of your soul, and you're anchored to something that you love. So what we do for the instant reset is we revive that anchor. We trigger that anchor for the instant reset, which will allow you to think more clearly, which will allow you to reset more easily so that you can think more clearly, brainstorm better, problem solve better, and be more in the moment, which means that you can feel better faster. This is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.